Okay guys, welcome back. These Parkgate Leisure, please subscribe. These always have a massive following, and here is a particularly nice one, I think. This today is just a handover video, so we're going to go through a sort of quick start guide on operation of this lovely Autosleeper Talisman 1996 vintage. As you can see, fresh water here, fairly obvious. Now this has had a later heater fitted in there. There would normally have been a Carver Cascade. It's had a Truma fitted, the proper blanking plate and the Truma cover, all looking very nice, in good working order, all tested of course. We've got your electric hook up here. Remember, put your flap in there guys, not on here, and make sure you push that down when you're pulling your cable out. Under there, can see you've got a I don't know whether that's fresh or waste water, but that's one of your drain points, and the other one is over here. I suspect that's your fresh water over there, and that'll be your waste at the back. Cassette toilet in there. I'm sure you all know how to use these cassettes by now. Moving around the outside, you've got your gas locker at the front there with space for 2 bottles. Wind out canopy, remember, wind them out, drop the legs when you've only wound them out about a third of the way, and then get the legs down, give it some support before you wind the rest of it out. Oven hob and grill, I'm sure you all know how to operate those. Might just be worth showing that there are these metal bits to protect when you're cooking, just to make sure you don't set fire to the wall. Difficult not to use them though, because you can't really use the burner with them down. So it is all very simple in these. Control panel, now really couldn't be simpler. There's on and there's off, and there's your water pump on or off. That has to be on before you can turn the water pump on. So if you can hear that running. Now if your van's empty of water and that's on, it will run and run and run until the pump can't run anymore. So don't run your pumps dry, make sure you've got water in them. Now this little device here tells you your water level. When you fill your tank, there's a little adjuster there, you spin that round until your tank shows full, and keep pressing the button to check it, and then just knock it back a touch so it still reads full, and then it should work correctly, showing you how much water's left in your tank. Although it's probably easier just to fill it up and know what you've used. As you can see, all the lights are on at the minute. The only one that's not on is this one, because that is a mains supply light only. All the others are 12 volt. So your fire, push down, turn it round, click 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 click, and it should ignite. Then you can adjust your temperature there accordingly. Now you've also got these vents down here, blown air. There's one there, there's one down there in your bathroom, another one down here under this seat. So you've got some operations over here. You can just turn that fire on, it'll waft heat out and that's fine, or you can use it on gas auto with the fan, gas slow with the fan, just the fan. If you are plugged into mains, you can run it on electric, auto with the fan, electric slow with the fan. So you've basically got 2 speeds, slow or auto with your fan, and that will adjust your temperature accordingly. But the gas fire needs to be on if you're going to run it on gas and select these. You need to be plugged into mains if you're going to run it on electric. Simple as that. And over on this side is your Henry heater. It's got a Henry control, it's got a Truma outlet, not quite sure what it's got in there, but it works, it's all been tested. But again, these, you simply press the button and scroll through the choices to select your power supply. And in here there's a main switch which needs to be on. That's your water heater on electric. So you'll run, if you're going to run it on electric, you turn it on there. I suspect if you're going to run it on gas, you'll select gas on there for your hot water. There's no no thermostat for it, it just heats it up until you've got hot water, and it will maintain that temperature. So fridge, little catch, look, there's 2 holes. It's on the open one at the minute, so the fridge is ajar, allowing it to vent and not get all smelly. On this side you've got 12 volts, that's 240 on the green. This is your temperature setting, and then over on this side is your gas, so you'd turn it onto gas, you'd press that in and hold it. Also you'd press that in, send the igniter, hold that in to make it light. It's it clicking away, you'd hold that in, it would stop clicking when it's lit. With the clicker turned off, the gas fridge is still on because you've selected it there, and that's your temperature for it. So some other bits and bobs, your blinds, these simply pull down and click. There's multiple places that you can click the blackout blinds, the fly screens. They're either fully down or fully up, no options with those. And your overcab bed, you've got a ladder up there which is for the bed, and the one that's in the black bag, that is a double folding ladder to go onto the back of the van for climbing up onto the roof. And you'd pull this, grab that piece, pull this across to here. That is this side mattress, and that is the mattress to go where it is. So that really is it for this lovely little Talisman. Those are your little release handles for sliding in to make the beds. That's where your feet go, or your tube for the table. Your table tube's just there. Your wind out awning handle is just there, and your tables are just there. There's 2 of them, a big one and a little one. You can put the big one up over there, the little one goes on that side. So there you go guys, enjoy your van. If you are looking for something like this, check out Parkgate Leisure's website. If you're looking to sell something like this, well, check out Parkgate Leisure website, give us a ring, or Motorhome Addict. We're always looking to buy vans like this, or indeed well, anything similar. Do give us a shout. Thank you very much guys. Subscribe.